Greetings viewers, today, we're delving into a topic that many of us can relate to, understanding and taming frizzy hair. We've got some fabulous tips, and a magical product too. Let's jump right in. Frizz occurs when the cuticle layer of your hair is raised, allowing moisture to pass through and swell the strands. This is influenced by various factors, from humidity to hair porosity. One crucial element affecting frizz is hair porosity, how well your hair absorbs and retains moisture. Low porosity hair repels moisture, leading to frizz. High porosity hair absorbs too much, also resulting in frizz. Finding your porosity level is key to tailoring your frizz taming routine. Now, let's bring in our magical product family hair care. With its natural formula, it acts as a shield, helping to lock in moisture for low porosity hair and providing nourishment to high porosity hair. It's the versatile solution your hair needs. Regardless of your hair porosity, hydration is key. Moisturized hair is less prone to frizz. Keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water and use family hair care. Here's a quick tip: end your shower with a cold water rinse. Cold water seals the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. Incorporate this into your routine. How you dry your hair matters. Opt for gentle drying techniques, like blotting with a microfiber towel. Vigorous rubbing can cause friction, leading to, you guessed it, more frizz. Protective hairstyles are your frizz-fighting friends. They shield your hair from external elements and minimize manipulation, reducing the likelihood of frizz. Frizz often lingers around damaged ends. Maintain the health of your hair and reduce frizz by scheduling regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks. Understanding the science behind frizz, adopting these actionable tips, and by using family hair care, you can transform your hair game.